I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we will see how do we model the given data with exponential functions. The question is right before you. You can pause the video, answer, and then look into my suggestions. In case you want to learn from me, you can always send an email on the address given. So the data is x and y values, where x values move from 3, 4, 5 to 6, and y is 80, 100, 125, 156.25. Determine the equation that models this data. So the steps involved is first to find the first difference. So first difference, delta 1, I'm writing in short, which represents first difference. Okay. First difference means y2 minus y1, right? That means here we have to calculate what is 100 minus 80, and then 125 minus 100, and then 156.25 minus 125. Well, if you calculate this, you get 20, and here you get 25, and then 0.25 for sure, and then we get 1, and from 5 if I take away, it is 31.25. Now, this first difference is not really a linear, right? So this was like y2 minus y1, correct? So what can we do? Well, if it is an exponential function, then clearly the ratio has to be constant. So we now figure out what is the ratio. So ratio of 25 to 20, correct? So that gives you this ratio. And then that ratio will be 31.25 to 25. So the ratio is 25 divided by 20 gives us a value which is 5 by 4. And here 31.25 divided by 25 also gives us the same value, 5 over 4. So ratio is constant and is equal to 5 by 4. So that ratio is telling you a growth factor. For the exponential function. Now, once you know the growth factor and you have the information that when x is 3, y is 80, x being 4, y is 100, then what should be the equation? Can you now write down the equation relating the data? Well, once we know the ratio, we could write down the relation as the y value equal to the value given to us when x equals to 3 is 80, right? And the growth factor here is 5 by 4. You could write the decimal equivalent also to the power of x. Now this is at 3, right? So x minus 3. You get the idea. That is the key. Perfect. So that is how you are going to write down the equation to represent the given data. So I hope this concept is absolutely clear. Perfect. So based on this, you now know how do we figure out the model which represents the data if it is exponential in nature. It could be exponential growth or decay. I hope it makes sense. Feel free to write your comments and share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.